Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the basic calligraphy, how to learn the basic calligraphy. Okay, so first I will teach you how to draw straight lines. Okay, so everybody just stay connected till the end. If you're interested to learn the basic calligraphy, just stay connected everybody, and keep supporting me. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, so just start it, guys. Practice drawing straight lines like this. You can see here. You can more practice, you can improve your calligraphy. Okay, now I will teach you how to draw carved lines. So first second point is carved lines. Okay, if you not like this, just first like the video. Okay, and focus on smooth movement and steady hand control. Focus this, everyone. Okay, keep practicing, and then third point is oval shapes. Okay, all right. I will show you how to draw oval shapes. You can see here, this step very easy. Just practice, everybody. And then I will teach you the loops, how to draw loops. Okay, so fourth point is loops. So just start the. Okay, you can see here, I will teach you how to make loops. Try to keep your loops even and balanced. Okay, this is very easy step, you can try this. Okay, and now this fifth point is thick stroke and thin stroke. Okay, so you will learn how to create thin and thick strokes. Remember this, light pressure for thin strokes and more pressure for thick strokes. Okay, this is very important for calligraphy. First more pressure to create thick strokes, and light pressures create thin stroke. So this is very easy, just try this. Okay, and main important thing is straight lines, minimum practice 10 minutes, and carved lines, minimum practice 10 minutes every day, and oval shapes practice every day 5 minutes. Okay, and loops is very important. This practice, this is most important thing. 5 minutes required for every day for practice. Okay, and thin and thick strokes require 10 minutes practice every day. Okay, so total time is 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10, so equal to 40 minutes require in every day to improving your basic calligraphy. Okay, so I hope I was able to teach you the basic of calligraphy. So thank you everyone for watching my video.